Hi, this is Ashika,
Hi, this is Ayushi. Welcome back to Said and Done Podcast.
a podcast where clarity, chaos, and career collide.
We work 9 to 5, but our minds don't shut after it.
So, from personality growth to societal shifts, we think deeply, we talk freely, and we always ask why. So, Ayushi,
Yes.
coming from Kolkata, born and brought up in Kolkata, and now you have shifted to Mumbai. How do you feel is Ganesh Chaturthi different in Kolkata and in Mumbai? Like, what is the cultural difference?
So, good question. So, coming from Kolkata, so there's a so Ganesh Chaturthi here is celebrated in a much grand manner, and in Kolkata, it's Durga Puja, which is celebrated in such grand manner.
Right.
But what has happened is that I have been I've seen Ganesh Chaturthi in Mumbai for maybe 5-6 years now, and I've seen that how different it is from the Durga Puja that happens in Kolkata. Right, so I have had friends who used to invite everybody. So I've seen that Ganpati Puja happens at everybody's homes, and they have many rituals also regarding the home Ganpati Puja,
right.
and they also invite people. And then we used to, I have also been to many friends' house to celebrate the puja, and it's really nice. Yeah.
Right. So, you know, for me, born and brought up in Mumbai, Ganpati is like, so we don't see Ganpati as a divine, like, he is a family to us. It's like when Bappa comes home, so we say Bappa Ale, which means
Yeah.
Bappa has come
Has
home.
come.
So it's like a son who is returning from abroad, maybe studying or whatever. So हम ना उसको ऐसे देखते हैं. If I can say that if Mumbai has a heartbeat, तो वो बापा के आने से ना और बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट बीट करने लगती है
Yes, and
बिकॉज
that is felt.
वो फील होता है लाइक एवरीवेयर यू गो, जहां भी जाओ पापा के सॉन्ग्स चल रहे हैं इतने, एंड दैट इज आई थिंक दैट इज द ओनली फेस्टिवल वेयर ना पापा का आना जाना एक डिवाइन, उनका आना जाना इज सेलिब्रेटेड विद ढोल ताशा नाशिक ढोल होता है, ये होता है, पीपल डांस, एंड फॉर मी इट गिव्स मी अ वेरी इंटेंस लेसन हियर इज दैट when papa comes we attach to him, वो एक attachment होता है, we celebrate him for those 11 days, and then जब हम उनका विसर्जन करते हैं that is detachment. So वो पूरा साइकिल कंप्लीट होता है. तो मुझे ये लगता है ये टीचर्स अस डिटैचमेंट की कितना भी कुछ भी कर लो, you will have to detach, let go
Yeah.
of things, and that is the essence of Ganesh Chaturthi for me.
Yes, and Kolkata, as I said, Durga Puja is really, really grand, and you can feel it in the air when you
Ah.
visit Kolkata. Literally, मतलब हर गली में there's lights, there's music, and there's crowd. They are like standing in queues for like kilometer-long queues to see some pandals, and there are theme-based pandals and everything. But I have, due to like schedules and everything, not every year I have been able to go to Kolkata for celebrating Durga Puja. But I have celebrated Durga Puja in Mumbai. Right, so there are Bengali associations. So even during final assessments, I remember I used to have my final semesters during those 5 days of Durga Puja.
Okay.
So I used to go to the Bengali association at various places in Mumbai they have, just to feel like I belong somewhere, because the dhol, the dhak, as we call it in Bengali, right? And the bhog also that they give, we stand in lines, and people are wearing like Bengali kind of saris.
हाँ,
Right,
which is very sweet. I feel वो बहुत
Yeah.
अच्छा लगता है.
And you give anjalis also, so it feels like okay, I'm back to my roots.
Yeah.
So that is how, I'm sure many of us have moved out from our home places, hometowns, and we still try to find our roots somewhere, and just to feel connected, just to feel that yes, we also belong somewhere, right?
So the same thing used to happen with me when I went for my MBA. तो वहाँ पर ना हम अपने हमारे हॉस्टल्स में वी यूज्ड टू कीप बापा को हम लाते थे 5 डेज के लिए, एंड देन उनका प्रॉपर विसर्जन करते. तो वो आरती में इतनी स्ट्रेंथ होती है ना कि वो टाइम पे हमारे कुछ एग्जाम्स वगैरह चल रहे थे एंड मुझे बहुत ऐसे डर लग रहा था, तो आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट गो, बापा के साथ में बैठ जाती थी मैं, एंड for me Ganesha is my friend.
Oh my friend
Oh my friend Ganesha is, and तब से ना वो एक कनेक्ट
हाँ.
बैठ गया है. because I feel he is the god विघ्नहर्ता जैसे हम उनको
हम्म।
बोलते, तो he is the god of obstacles कि वो हटा देंगे तुम्हारे सुख करता दुख हरता पूरा। एंड जो बापा की आरती गा के वो वाइब, वो चिल्स एंड द स्ट्रेंथ यू गेट, एंड मतलब वो दिल अंदर से ना डांस करने लगता है। इट्स नॉट जस्ट यू डांसिंग, इट्स योर हार्ट
It's the vibe that gets uplifted.
आई थिंक ये बात करने में मेरा जो एनर्जी है, मेरा जो इट्स विजिबल ऑल्सो
Yeah.
पापा का ओकेजन, आई एम सो एक्साइटेड क्योंकि हमारे उधर भी पंडाल्स होते हैं। इट्स लाइक एन इवेंट कि पापा आ रहे तो तुम चंदा इकट्ठा कर रहे हो,
हाँ.
तुम जा रहे हो, तुम ये प्लान कर रहे हो, तुम वो प्लान कर रहे हो, सब मंडल्स
हाँ.
होते हैं सब, एंड देन पापा आते हैं, एंड देन फिर उसमें हमारी भी मस्ती होती है कि हम रात को पापा, क्योंकि पापा को अकेले तो रखते हैं
लगते नहीं है, हाँ,
कोई ना
that I
कोई-
have also heard.
राइट,
Yeah.
कोई ना कोई साथ में होता है, तो हम मस्त बैठते हैं वहां पर, हम अपने गप्पे लड़ाते हैं, हम गेम्स खेलते हैं, हम सब बच्चे रहते, तो वो एक जेंजी टच भी हमने वहां पे दे दिया।
So coming to this Gen Z touch that you're saying, so what do you feel how we as Gen Zs are coping up with the, I would not restrictions, but again kind of the structure of rituals, of going back to the roots, and some things which are sometimes forced on us, and some things which we choose to follow. So what do you think how we as Gen Zs are coping up with that?
I think obviously a lot has been done ये सब चीजों के लिए, but with us working, with us having a lot on our plate right now, I think हम जितना होता है उस पे केटर नहीं कर पाते। लाइक पहले तो बापा का आगमन तो वो पूरा 11 डेज का होता था, अब वो 1.5 तक भी उसको कर दिया है
It's up to your schedule when you want to.
schedule, मतलब
हाँ.
वैसे हो गया है, which is I don't think it's wrong. I mean you want to pray to the divine, but also you have your own things, and
Yeah.
it's not like कि materialistic चीजों को देख रहे हो, सिर्फ वो नहीं
वो
है
नहीं
obviously,
है,
because डिवाइन है, यू स्टिल नीड समथिंग टू होल्ड यू टू, तुम्हारे बिल्स पे करने के लिए भी यू नीड दैट ऑब्वियसली,
Yeah.
वो थोड़ा सा आ जाता है, बट आई फील कि ये एक स्केड्यूल जो चेंज किया है ना हमने, दैट इज समवेयर हम लोग, इट्स लाइक ट्रेडिशन इज मीटिंग आवर टाइमलाइन।
Yeah. And adding to that, I think that there's a difference between questioning and canceling. So we are in an age where it's like, why do we fast versus fasting is pointless. So there's the nuance. So again, like reimagining or redefining basically the patriarchal rituals, like maybe Karwa Chauth. Now we are seeing that in Karwa Chauth, both the partners are fasting for each other. Like even for Rakhis, it's not only the sisters now tying the Rakhis, it's also like sisters tie the
Sisters
Rakhis.
and sisters,
Sisters and sisters are also tying Rakhis.
Right.
या फिर the brothers are also tying Rakhis to the elder sisters.
Yeah.
So reinterpretation of the kind of very rigid kind of rituals, I feel. So that there's where the line is present.
I think this has made the festivities also more inclusive.
More
Like, you know,
inclusive.
the other day we were talking about, जैसे you were also saying कि Bengali associations होते हैं,
Yes.
तो ये होता है, जैसे मेरे इसमें भी मेरे हॉस्टल में भी, जैसे हमारी रूममेट थी मेरी, we were also talking about the same
Yes.
thing कि ओणम सेलिब्रेट होता है, वो
हाँ.
थी तो प्रदूषण सेलिब्रेट हो
हाँ.
रहा था, तो वो सब सेलिब्रेट होता है, एंड आई थिंक इसकी वजह से ना इंक्लूसिविटी बढ़ जाती है।
Yeah, and there are many festivals which are invented by Gen Zs, just to be able to come together in one place and then celebrate something. Like we have Diwalis at friends' houses. वहाँ पे ना ही कोई पूजा हो रहा है, ठीक है, ना ही there is nothing as
एक
like
दिवाली पार्टी
खाली
होती है,
Diwali party, so that we
हाँ,
gather and we
gather.
are just
And-
celebrating.
right, and
Like Christmas also, and even for that matter, Secret Santa and everything. Yeah.
I think that's the essence of festivals, right? Even for Ganesh Chaturthi, it was restarted by Lokmanya Tilak कि वो against the Britishers and everything, कि इसके लिए तो he will not stop ना, कि हमारा
हाँ.
फेस्टिवल है तो मिलने
वही.
से नहीं रोकेंगे। तो वही तो एसेंस था कि गैदरिंग एंड जो हम कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, सोशलाइज करते हैं, सो दैट इज द एसेंस ऑफ आई थिंक festivals. And I don't know, I'm talking about Ganesh Chaturthi again. It's something. Here, I just love this festival. I just love Bappa, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि whenever he is here in Mumbai, as you said, Durga Puja में air ही different है.
हाँ.
Here the air breathes Ganpati. the air shouts गणपति कि ट्रेन में भी तुम जा रहे हो ना तो
हाँ.
लोग गणपति बापा मोरया चिल्ला रहे हैं. जब वो नासिक ढोल प्रैक्टिस होता है उसमें भी लोग खड़े होके गणपति बापा मोरया.
हम्म.
एंड विसर्जन is
Visarjan, I think like traffic and everything is very, is very bad.
It's very-
simply put.
no, it's very bad, but I was about to say it makes me cry, and I genuinely.
I think
do.
this is true for like I will be able to say for Durga Puja, for other pujas also, like we have Saraswati Puja, Lakshmi Puja also. So in Durga Puja, the puja is only for 5 days,
Okay.
but the preparation continues for like 1 month or 2 months before the puja, because the
Okay.
pandals are also built and you start shopping also. Everybody has to wear like two new pair of clothes, one for the morning, one for the evening, on all the 5 days.
Okay.
Right, and even on the 10th day, I'm sure many of us would be knowing the red par, white sari, and the Siddur Khalaf that we call.
Right.
So that during that time, you will be seeing that many people are. It's like if you are saying Vidai to your own daughter, she's going to her
Right.
in-laws basically. So I think emotional connect is present in all the cultures that is going on, and I think that's the reason why we keep coming back to it, even when we are not staying at our home places and it's not that nobody is forcing that on us, right? It is us who are choosing to be a part of different cultures.
So, from what you are saying, मुझे ना ऐसे लग रहा है what Bappa is for Mumbaikars, Durga Ma is for people living in Kolkata. तो
Yeah.
मतलब वो correlation proper वैसे
हाँ.
हो रहा है. Right?
And I think it's the people. The excitement is about like people coming together to celebrate one thing, one part. So yeah.
And also coming back to that Gen Z topic, I want to ask कि now there are also certain things जैसे जब गणपति का होता है तो essentially तो थोड़ा नववारी साड़ी और वो सब होता है. And now that has changed to maybe kurtis वगैरह तो still fine, but people still go shorts में and all. And then I have heard these things. I don't मतलब, and I agree to what the temples and everyone has to say कि shorts वगैरह मत पहन के आओ. But then Gen Zs also protest about that thing कि अरे क्यों, it's a wearable thing, it's a cloth, so why cannot I? What is your opinion on this?
I think I don't see. I am aiming to listen or to follow any rule only for 2 reasons. One is that I want to or I choose to, and second, you should have some reason, right? So till now, I don't know why. See, it's not that I'm not saying that you should not wear ethnic or you should not wear a certain kind of clothes, but it is again it comes down to the personal choice. So I would not see anybody who is choosing to wear something. It is point is that is that person's celebration. So it should be up to him or her how to celebrate it. So if I want to celebrate it in a dress or it in a kurta or in a sari, it should be my choice. So I don't see any problem there. Yeah.
Got it. Yeah, that's a fair point.
Yeah.
But like I feel that sometimes while I understand Gen Zs and me also being a Gen Z, but I'm also I would say an old school person because I feel normally तो हम पहनते ही है ना. So one day if you're going to a temple, if you're going to worship that divine power, why cannot? Because I don't, मतलब, for me, whenever you go to a temple or something, I always try to wear kurtas
That
or
is your
ethnics or,
yeah,
again,
even
that
I
is
do.
my
Yeah,
choice,
even
true.
I do. But then there are many rituals, and not rituals. There are many traditions and cultures, but that is not necessary.
Right, yeah.
That does not mean that they are doing it wrong.
Right. And
So
also,
that again boils down to the choice of the individual.
I think nowadays people don't know much about why. Like
Why?
you
it's
said,
important to question the
The
why
why.
rather than you should or this is wrong.
right.
That is, according to me, not the right approach. That just because I am doing it or just because everybody else is doing it, he or she should do it. So yeah, obviously there's a proper reason, a valid reason that okay, no, if you don't wear this kind of clothes, then these things might happen to you or to the people surrounding you. Then obviously that's a rule. You can't break it.
Right.
But if it is not
No,
just
yeah,
a
I
preference of
agree.
somebody else, then I don't think a person is bound to right.
No, I agree because this. I'll give you an example. What happened with me was generally अभी श्रावण का महीना चल रहा था and we offer दूध and everything, dahi, doodh to shivlings, right? And for a certain while, I used to feel also with the movie Oh My God and everything coming up, I felt कि वो जा तो वेस्ट ही हो रहा है ना
Waste
at the
ही
end of the day. तो
Hmm.
it is better to give it to a beggar or someone who is in need for it, right? But then slowly I understood the reason for why we do that, because वो जब समुद्र मंथन हुआ था and जब शिवजी ने अपने गले में वो विष लिया था, so वो इतना गर्म था कि वो ठंडक देने के लिए उनको देते हैं. So then my perception changed a bit कि if I believe in that divine power, why do I have to give everything to that? So from then I shifted it to 50-50, like one packet of milk, थोड़ा सा I will pour to the god and बाकी I will give it to वो.
Yeah,
तो
so-
दोनों वो होता है कि there is a reason you
There's
do
a
all
reason,
of these
and
things.
these things can't be forced on you. These things
True.
should be as per your belief
True.
system. Because if you're doing it by force, then you'll not keep doing it. You'll not continue it.
एंड
So-
फोर्स में भी फिर बहुत सारे सी वंस यू स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग ना, तो फिर ऐसा होता है ये भी कर लो, ये भी कर लो, ये भी कर लो, ये भी कर लो. लाइक
हाँ.
श्रावण में नॉनवेज नहीं खाना, श्रावण में ये नहीं करना, श्रावण में वो नहीं करना. देन देयर आर सो मेनी डेज वेयर यू कैन नॉट. देन एकादशी में डोंट
हाँ.
ईट राइस, फास्ट रखो, ये
So-
नहीं वो नहीं.
Yeah. So once you start something, then but it's again, many people do it because they believe in it. Again,
Right.
it's all up to personal beliefs and
True.
everything.
True.
So
So also again I would like to come to that Gen Z point.
yeah.
So Gen Z में what do you feel like? जैसे हम लोग तो बहुत ज्यादा, like not हम लोग but parents and grandparents तो कितना पूरा rituals and all. So do you feel the like is it necessary कि हमको करना ही चाहिए ये सारी चीजें, या फिर हम अपने हिसाब से थोड़ा बहुत कर लिया तो it's fine?
See, what I feel is कि I do certain things just because I want to feel
Good.
like I'm a part of something. You know?
Okay.
I don't want to feel good कि मैं उसके लिए थोड़ा good हो जाता हूँ. Then it makes me feel closer to my family. It makes me feel closer to my roots. That's the reason why I do certain things, and there are certain things that I don't do because I don't feel like, and also it does not make sense to me as per my schedule, right? So there are certain dietary restrictions which are followed while I'm at home, but when I'm staying alone, there are some things that I'm not able to do. So
Right.
I don't want to tell that I am doing these things, but when I go home, I'm not being able to.
Got it.
Right, so I want,
Huh.
even if I choose maybe 3 out of the 10 things, I want to keep doing it. So I choose like
The ones
Yeah.
जो
the
Yeah,
ones
but
जिसमें कंटिन्यू कर सकती हूँ.
जो एक्चुअली राइट भी है कि अभी कर रहे हो बाद में नहीं कर रहे हो, तो वो
Yeah.
इट इज बेटर टू चूज दोज थिंग्स टू डू जो तुम कंटिन्यू. या मतलब इट्स अ वेरी फेयर पॉइंट एंड इट्स एक्चुअली अ वेरी गुड थिंग टू डू.
Yeah.
So what do you feel regarding गणेश चतुर्थी? How is आपके घर पे पापा आते हैं या नहीं? कैसा लगता है, क्या होता है? Comment down everything.
And
you
also,
feel.
if there's some other, if you're shifted to some place away from your hometown, how you are coping with the cultural, with the rituals, and with the traditional shift, and how are you enjoying it?
Also, if you were ever a part of a मंडप और पंडाल जो हम बोलते हैं, बनाने के लिए एक मंडल बनती है, if you were a part of that in school, in college, in your area, if you have shifted wherever, share it with your friends. See क्या है, tell us what your opinions are ये Gen Z and tradition, like tradition meets timeline के ऊपर. And yes, let's catch on the other episode of Sweet and Done.